Welcome to our comparison of the LungoStar portable washing machine and the DFJKJUU portable washing machine. In this video, we will explore the key features of both machines, including their capacities, sizes, weights, and functionalities. Whether you're looking for a compact solution for your laundry needs or a more robust option, we've got you covered. The LungoStar portable washing machine boasts a washing capacity of 18 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads, while the DFJKJUU model has a capacity of 16 Ls, designed for smaller items. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you frequently wash larger batches. When it comes to size and weight, the LungoStar is larger and heavier, measuring 27.5 inches in width, 16.1 inches in depth, and 32 inches in height, weighing 38 pounds. In contrast, the DFJKJUU is compact, with unfolded dimensions of 13.9 inches in height and a weight of just 4.66 pounds, making it highly portable and easy to store. The LungoStar offers multiple wash modes and a built-in drain pump for enhanced functionality, while the DFJKJUU features a simpler control system with fewer wash modes. This makes the LungoStar more versatile for various laundry needs, whereas the DFJKJUU is designed for ease of use. In conclusion, the choice between the LungoStar and DFJKJUU portable washing machines depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize capacity and functionality, the LungoStar is an excellent option. However, if portability and compact design are more important, the DFJKJUU is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.